Hey guys, it's Dima from Tech, and today is day 3 of CES 2021. And I've got to be honest, today was easier, much easier. Less keynotes, less interesting keynotes, I'd say, even those that were. And I think it got easier for me to navigate through all the exhibitors, and less exhibitors pretty much left that I didn't go through. Now obviously I'm not covering each and every exhibitor there is, or each and every product, it's quite impossible I think, but I'm trying to choose some interesting products and interesting companies that aren't repeating themselves, sort of, at least trying. So let's start with a few exhibitors that showed some cool devices and cool things, and we'll start with Razer. Now Razer is pretty much a computer gaming company that creates amazing laptops, some quite nice peripherals like keyboards, mice, headphones, things like that. And usually at CES they show newer products and things like that, and in addition they do show at least one sort of concept product. Now the next product I'm not fully sure if it's only a concept or they are going to actually sell it, but it is called Project Hazel and it's a smart face mask. Now before you judge, that's actually quite a cool idea. So their idea is basically a face mask that is transparent. It has two valves that are N95 certified, so it should give you all the protection you need pretty much, and it has sort of an active circulation, so all the CO2 and all the warmth that you feel inside the face mask will go easily away and it will be easier to breathe. Also, obviously, they can't go without the chroma lighting that they love so much, so they have sort of RGB lighting in those sort of valves. And if that's not enough for you, they also have microphones there, so your voice, when you just talk regularly, won't sound muffled or lower. You won't have to shout like in a regular mask pretty much, and people will hear you around normally. Around the mask you can find sort of silicone protector for comfortability and for additional safety, and that mask also comes in a case. Now they showcased a white and a black mask, and the cases match that. Honestly, I'm not fully sure about the cases. It looks like they are recharging the mask, and also there were some lighting inside that case, and I'm not fully sure if it's just for show or it will actually disinfect your mask. My guess, it will actually disinfect your mask with a UV light or something. If not, Razer, that's an idea for you, do that. And that's pretty much for it. We don't know if it's going to come out for sales, we don't know when, if at all, they didn't tell us anything else. Next, there's Project Brooklyn, which is a concept. And this is a gaming chair that has sort of a deployable OLED screen, 60-inch OLED screen that is going like this around your face, and it goes from behind the chair. It looks quite cool. I don't know, it's a gaming chair like in weird movies that people just get obese and barely can move. I hope that's not what they are trying to tell us, but due to the pandemic, might be. There's also a modular armrest for the chair that will pretty much allow you to put there your keyboard, mice, and it should be comfortable. Obviously for your beverage and food as well, I guess. But that one is a concept and they didn't show a real actual product here, so I guess that thing won't come anytime soon, or if at all. Next, let's talk about a Japanese company called SkyDrive. Now SkyDrive is a Japanese company that is working on flying cars. And yeah, it's kind of a distant future it seems, but they actually have a working sort of prototype it seems, and they have concurrent plans. So basically they announced that on 2023 the sales, at least for some sort of that flying car, will actually sort of start. Now I guess it won't be that easy because you do need some rules and stuff like that. You do need some sort of city airports for such cars, and the idea is on that year they will have a two-seat flying car, so you can pretty much use it as flying taxi I guess to avoid traffic. I think actually in big cities like for example maybe New York, those cities that there are people with money as well, you might actually be able to avoid some traffic with such a flying taxi car. And that might be very useful. I do know that United Arab Emirates already announced some sort of partnership with some company, I'm not really sure which one, and they are working on flying police cars. So that's probably coming wherever we want it, ready or not, it will come. And next is a company that I do like, though I never owned actually any of their products, which is kind of weird. But I'm talking about Targus. This company mainly produces laptop bags, backpacks and things like that. But here they showcased other things as well. Now they do work on lots of other things, for example USB-C docking stations that support up to 4 screens and up to 8K, and that's something that is really wow. They actually showed a few and they look amazing, and that's something that actually I see both myself using and our office. They talked about all the pandemic situation and antimicrobial products, so basically they create some materials that are antimicrobial, less touching, so they provide some sort of pens that you touch screens with them, less contact basically, and a disinfecting UV light, which came to be popular this year, I guess. Also, they talked about their EcoSmart lineup, and that line is a production of recycled material bags, which is expanding now, and will produce more bags with the EcoSmart lineup. They are more green and better for the environment, which is always a good thing. Those bags, at least according to the video, look amazing, not less than any other bag, so I guess it doesn't affect the bag quality as well. Now, through their videos, actually, I noticed something that I personally want, and this is a folding keyboard. A really slim and tiny folding keyboard. I actually want this. I didn't actually find any info about it, and I will try probably to contact Targus through the CES, and maybe we can get some info, or maybe we can even get a product or a prototype. We'll see about that. So this is the end of this video of CES 2021 Day 3, and I've got to be honest, I have quite a feeling that tomorrow all the keynotes that are left mostly will be recaps, replays, and not many things will be left for the last day, which means that this video might be the last one for CES 2021. I hope you enjoy this, and if I won't see you again through those CES videos, we'll see you in our next regular videos of DemusTech. Thank you for watching this DemusTech episode. If you enjoyed this video, click the subscribe button and hit the bell so you won't miss any future video. And I'll see you on the next one.